riding a jet ski in my parents' house.
I bought this jet ski the other day, but there's nowhere to ride it outside, so obviously I gotta ride it inside. So I bought a pool, and you would not believe how hard it is to put a jet ski inside of a house. But after a few hours, I got the pool filled with water, put on my life jacket, and started living the dream. Hey Dad, come down here!
What the
I know you wanna ride this.
Oh, yeah!
Get on in your teeth.
Fuck, man.
Woo! Hit the start button. Give it a little gas. Stop giving it gas.
Woo! I'm a cowboy!
Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
Get on this boat. Remember we used to have one just like it.
And you're in the fucking pool too? Are you kidding me?
What?
How did you even get a jet ski in the fucking house? Oh my god.
Come on, get on.
No.
This is sweet.
Respect the
Oh
effort.
my god, it fucking smells.
Woo! Yes, one-handed.
Are you okay with this? How is this fucking okay? I am done. I am done. I want this fucking out of my house. I want Corbin out of my house.
It was fun while it lasted, brother.